गाइस तो मैं ना टैरो कार्ड्स लेके आई थी लंदन से. मुझे एक रील बनानी थी बेसिकली लोगों को गाली देते हुए कि तुम लोग टैरो कार्ड्स पे कैसे विश्वास करते हो जो ऑनलाइन आते हैं. वो वाली वीडियोस नहीं होती. ओ पिक अ पाइल, ए ही इज गोना कम बैक, B, he's thinking about you. C, he's the love of your life. और बहन जो 4 मिलियन लोगों ने वो वीडियो देखी हुई है, 4 मिलियन लोगों को लग रहा है कि अरे वो तुम्हारे प्यार में है. So I just wanted to make like a funny video on that. But now I'm thinking, what if tarot is correct? So we're gonna ask tarot cards about us and let's see how it goes. हम basically cards निकालेंगे और फिर हम online पूछेंगे कि सही है या नहीं. ठीक है? We have laid down the cards and now okay. So let's ask. पहले तो हमने सोचा है to really test it out कि ये सही आ रहा है या नहीं. हम डायरेक्टली अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में नहीं पूछेंगे. पहले हमारे पास्ट के बारे में पूछेंगे, फिर हमारी करंट सिचुएशन के बारे में पूछेंगे और फिर फ्यूचर के बारे में पूछेंगे. अगर पास्ट और करंट सही आया देन मे बी फ्यूचर सही हो. टैरो कार्ड्स. कुछ तो मैजिक करना पड़ेगा ना.
I don't think that's how they do it, Apurva.
अरे but it's just energies. Yes, okay. We have put your energy into it. Now, how has Rida's past been? Pick out 3 cards.
3.
3, yes.
Okay.
First card, Ulta, Sword of Ace.
Ace of Swords.
Ace of Swords. Next card, Sida, King of Wands. And तीसरा, 8 of Pentacles. Oh हाँ, ChatGPT. Hey girly pop, Apurva this side, Rida's friend. You must know her because you are her lover. So girly pop, we were doing some tarot and we got 8 of Pentacles straight, King of Wands straight, and inverted Ace of Swords. What does this mean? Let's check it out. Hey girly pop, let's break this down. 8 of Pentacles, hard work, dedication, and honoring your skills. Someone is putting in the efforts or need to, maybe in love or life goals. Wallahi. King of Wands, confidence, leadership, and boldness. This could point to someone who's charismatic, driven, and probably your lover vibes here. Lover कैसे घुसा दे रहा है हर चीज के बीच में? Ace of Swords, lack of clarity, confusion, miscommunication. Something might feel off or unclear, especially in conversations or decisions. Was our tarot right?
Yes.
Girly pop! The most generalized tarot cards that point out to hard work, confidence, and confusion.
Okay, but this is the past though.
But I believe in this now. Now, let's do her present. How is Rida's present looking like?
This tarot reader is very clumsy.
Okay, Rida Tharana, pick your present. Okay. Okay, Rida has picked out 2 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Okay. In our next tarot reading, when we asked about our present girly pop, we came with King of Pentacles, 2 of Pentacles, and 2 of Wands. What does this reading mean?
I feel like ChatGPT is a better tarot reader at this point.
Shut up. King of Pentacles, stability, success, and someone who's grounded and reliable. Which you are. Next, 2 of Pentacles, balancing priorities, juggling responsibilities. There's a lot going on. Someone might be trying to manage multiple aspects of life. Maybe work, love, and emotions. 2 of Wands, planning and considering future's options. It's about looking ahead, deciding what's next, and exploring possibilities. Overall vibe. The present energy feels stable but a bit scattered. Someone's trying to keep things together while thinking about what's next. Do we agree? We agree. Go girly pop! I think I'm a great tarot reader. Now let's ask about Rida's future.
I actually dug my own grave, I'm not gonna deny, because I was like, let's read people's fortune while she just wanted to make a reel.
When asked about Rida Girly Pop's future, we came up with 3 of Wands, 6 of Swords, and 5 of Pentacles, all of them upright cards. What does this mean, ChatGPT? Love you, Girly Pop.
Apurva, you don't mix only, so it has to be upright, my love. You're just like...
No, ऐसे ही होता है. वो खुद से हो जाते हैं नीचे. पहले भी तो आया था ना ये कलर.
क्योंकि मैंने उल्टा किया था ना वो.
अब कुछ नहीं कर सकते. This is just how it is. 3 of Wands, expansion, progress, and looking ahead. The world is your oyster energy. Go girly pop. 6 of Wands, moving on and healing. और कितना heal होगी भाई? तो कितने सालों से heal ही हो रही है बहन. तो इतना क्या heal होना है तुझे?
मैं थोड़ा दे देती हूँ energy तेरे को.
अरे 5 of Pentacles, a sense of loss or feeling left out. Oh my God. Does this point out to a dark future? And did we predict it on Rebel Kids channel first? Stay tuned for Hrida's story time, girly pop. The vibe for Hrida's future. She's heading towards growth and new opportunity, but the journey might involve leaving behind something painful. There could be a moment of feeling low or isolated, but they'll ultimately push her together a stronger, brighter face. Tell her she's got this. Change is hard, but it's worth it. L'Oreal.
Baby, we need to change. Let's be a little serious kind of tarot reader. The one with like kajal, mascara, and then.
I am being serious. I think seriously, this is all bullshit.
Oh, it's your turn. Let's go.
Okay, my turn. लॉर्ड ने सोचते क्या कर दिया लड़कियां कमरे में अकेले बैठ के देख रहे हो
cheating on me.
ये देख रहे हो क्या कर रही है हमारी गर्ली पॉप्स. Now you will understand Hrida that being a tarot reader is extremely hard. Let's do it, girly pops. First, my past. जो बवंडर जब तक नहीं दिखा, I will not believe in this card. ऐसा आना चाहिए कि लाउडे लग गए इस आदमी के तो पास्ट में, क्योंकि तुम लोगों को मेरा पास्ट कुछ नहीं पता, क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ मस्ती डालती हूँ ना YouTube पे, तो तुम लोगों को लगता है so unserious, इसकी जिंदगी में क्या ही गलत हुआ, मेरी जिंदगी में क्या सही हुआ है आज तक. Okay. I've picked out 3 cards.
Start.
Two of Pentacles, the Chariot,
okay,
and 5 of Cups.
Hey baby girl. So we are now talking about Apurva's past, and these are the cards that we've gotten. 2 of Pentacles, the Chariot, and 5 of Cups, all straight.
Bhavandar type तो नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, so I don't know. I'm not buying this.
2 of Pentacles, juggling priorities, trying to find balance. This shows a time when you were doing absolutely most, handling multiple responsibilities or trying to keep life in check. The Chariot, determination, willpower, and moving forward despite the chaos, and we're super focused and driven, pushing through challenges with sheer gift. Sari trying to be baddie. 5 of Cups, regret, loss, and focusing on what's gone rather than what's still there. Moments of emotional heaviness or feeling let down, but maybe not realizing there's still hope left. It seems like you were hustling hard to keep it all together, pushing through the determination, but carrying emotional baggage.
Correct.
You were strong and resilient, but some unresolved feelings from the past might still linger. Big character building era, though. Please, Apurva!
That was true.
Oh my
that was
god.
True though. Okay.
Oh, that was so good. Okay.
Next. अच्छा, you want to shuffle?
But
put your energy into it. तुझे लगता है कोई ये चूतिया कंटेंट देखेगा हमारा?
Okay, firstly, how dare you say that about tarot cards? And second, ChatGPT is giving us all these answers, so might as well be true. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
The Chariot again. The Sun. Ooh, King of Wands. Talking about Apurva's present, we have the Chariot, the Sun, and King of Wands all straight. The Chariot, still pushing forward with determination and focus. You're in take control mindset, actively steering your life into direction you want it to go.
That's true.
Okay, the Sun, joy, success, and clarity. This is such a positive card. Things are looking bright, and you're either experiencing or about to step into really fulfilling and happy phase.
Yes, I am.
King of Wands, confidence, leadership, and big vision energy. Apurva is thriving. There's a mix of hard work, happiness, and undeniable boss energy. You're in your element right now, shining and making big moves, keeping the momentum going. You're unstoppable. But you're falling for fuckboys, so we should stop that.
Bitch, that कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है ये कुत्ती. My future. पति. Please मुझे पति चाहिए. मुझे नहीं बनना strong independent woman. मुझे नहीं बनना, मुझे नहीं चाहिए करियर, मुझे पति चाहिए. नहीं, मुझे करियर भी चाहिए. मजाक कर रही हूँ.
जितना ये रोना करती है ना कि I want my husband balls. I have not seen anybody. Okay, go for it.
Okay.
Pick your cards. 7 of Pentacles. Oh my god.
उल्टा.
Inverted, the Hanged Man. 2 of Cups. Okay, in the last reading, which is where we are talking about Apurva's future, we have 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups straight. However, the Hanged Man inverted. What does this mean?
Am I dying?
7 of Pentacles, patience, hard work paying off and reflecting on what you've invested your energy in. It's about planting seeds now and waiting to see them bloom. Success is coming, but it'll take time. 2 of Cups, love, partnership, and emotional connection. This could point to a deep bond, maybe a romantic relationship, or even a meaningful friendship or collaboration.
Oh, मस्त है. मेरे को collaboration नहीं चाहिए.
Balance and
friendship नहीं चाहिए और. पति दिला दो.
The Hanged Man, inverted. Resistance to change or being stuck in a loop. It might mean difficulty seeing things from a new perspective or letting go of something that's holding you back. It's like she has a relationship with emotional oh my goodness. Apurva's future is filled with growth and meaningful relationships. 7 of Pentacles and 2 of Cups. But
wait,
the Hanged Man inverted suggests you'll need to let go the old ways of thinking or habits to truly move forward. You need to cut people off. It's a reminder to embrace change and not cling to what feels safe. Stay open and amazing things will follow. Please, I am shooketh.
I think tarot cards is an actual thing.
I am shooketh.
Okay. Should we see the future of our friendship?
Okay, let's do it.
Okay. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि वो hanged man खुद से उल्टा कैसे हुआ?
Because I inverted cards.
Oh.
Well, come on, it was accurate. Let's not deny.
Okay. But हमें क्या पता future में क्या होने वाला है?
तो वही तो डिपेंड कर रहे हैं ना.
पर तो हमें कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि accurate है? चल, pick a card. We're gonna predict our the friendship of our future. Are the Reddit threads right? Or are the fan pages? Let's find out. The hanged man. The oh my god. Wallahi, you picked both these cards, you bitch. Introduction card. Tarot failed.
Okay, pick up.
Rida, these don't look right.
Pick up.
The sun.
The sun. Okay.
देखा मैंने कितना अच्छा कार्ड निकाला है.
We want to know the future of our friendship. That's Rida's and Apurva's. And these are the cards we have. All straight. 1, the hangman. 2nd, death. And 3rd, the sun. What does this say? I feel like I should start this as a profession.
That's what people are doing on the internet, Rida.
I love it. Okay, Gully Pop. This reading has layers. Let's break it down for Rida and Apurva's. Rida's and Apurva's. Okay. The hangman. A period of pause, reflection, or seeing things from a new perspective. Your friendship might go through a phase of reevaluation or a shift in how you both see each other or the dynamics. Death. Transformation and rebirth. This isn't about endings. It's about leaving behind old ways and stepping into something new. Your friendship might evolve in a big way, shedding what doesn't work anymore to create something stronger. The sun. Joy, positivity, and success. After the shift and transformation, your friendship shines brighter than ever, filled with happiness and mutual understanding. What it's saying about your friendship's future, you're heading towards a big transformation, death. But it's for the better. There might be a moment where you both need to step back and reflect, hanged man. But ultimately, you'll come back out stronger and happier. This is giving glow up energy for your bond, deep, meaningful, and unbreakable.
Unbreakable. Fuck you, Reddit. Bitch. अपूर्वा और रिदा की दोस्ती PR की है. इतना गंदा PR कौन करेगा, motherchode?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
कौन दे रहा है?
They're like, oh my god, you know, it's all just for brand collabs. 2 brand collab करते हैं हम साथ में, साल के वो भी ना करें हम. Maybelline love you. Okay, let's see. Will Rida find love next year?
Apurva, so we're continuing this. We'll do a whole series of just this now.
No, but we'll cut ना. ये सब नहीं डालेंगे. Okay, pick. Will Rida find love in 2025?
I believe it's in 3 years, but let's see.
Okay, let's see. How is Rida's love life looking?
Okay, ready?
Okay, we have Knight of
The
Cups.
Knight of Cups.
We have Seven of
Seven of
Pentacles
Pentacles.
and 9 of Swords.
And 9 of Swords.
We asked about Rida's love life, and the tarot card said Knight of Cups, 7 of Pentacles, and 9 of Swords.
All
what does this
straight.
mean?
All
Girly
straight.
pop?
All
straight.
Well, I am not interested in my love life as much as this girl is, but let's see.
Hey girly pop, let's unpack Rida's love life. 9 of Cups, romantic energy, charm and emotional offerings. Bye bye bitch, strong independent woman. I hate men. I love men in 2025. Go girly pop. This is someone coming in or already around. With a lot of feelings, think sweet gestures and poetic vibes. Could also reflect Rida's own approach to love.
That went off. So
I hope it's not about self-love. 7 of Pentacles, patience and long-term investment. I hate this answer. Let me read it. I'm reading it. Love isn't moving super fast. We know.
See, I told you.
It's been 26 years.
I told you, next 3 years.
It's more about putting in the effort now and waiting to see if it'll grow. नहीं grow करेगा. लौड़ा में छूटे करके जाएगा कोई अपना.
3 में.
9 of Swords, anxiety, overthinking and sleepless nights.
Is it your card?
Somehow believe
This part?
yeah.
Fuck you!
Overall vibe. Rida's love life has potential, but there's a need to let go of the fear of overthinking. Tell her to stay open, take things slow, and trust that the right connection will grow in time.
बोला ना 3 साल में. See, it's also
Big love energy is possible if she can just stay quiet.
No, bitch. कुछ भी.
It says if she can quiet the doubts. Okay.
Your turn.
Yeah. I also don't want to know. I think. Wallahi. At least give me hope.
Let's talk about Apurva's love life. Let's find her.
तेज बोला कर, इतनी सी आवाज नहीं जाती है कैमरा में, इतना दूर पड़ा है कैमरा.
Let's find out Apurva's love life and how quickly and desperately she's gonna find one. Let's go.
Bhagwan ji, please. We have Ace of Cups. We have 3 of Wands. And we have 4 of Wands.
Okay, we are now talking about Apurva's love life, and these are the cards we have. They're all straight. Ace of Cups, 3 of Wands, and 4 of Wands.
3-4 बंदे तो मिलेंगे मतलब.
Alright, girly pop. Apurva's love life is looking chef's kiss.
Yeah! Oh, balle balle. Oh, balle balle.
Ace of Cups, new beginnings in love, emotional fulfillment, and opening your heart.
Old तो सब बहन के लौड़े हैं, नया ही हो सकता है जो होना है.
This is giving fresh and exciting vibes. A new relationship or a deepening emotional connection is on the horizon. 3 of Wands, expansion and looking towards the future. This suggests planning or anticipating what's next in love. Bhai shadi. Maybe long-term potential with someone or waiting for the right moment to take a step forward. 4 of Wands, celebration, stability and harmony. This is one of
शादी हो रही है मेरी 2025 में भाई.
It hints at commitment, joy, and maybe even milestone like moving on together and something big down the line.
Guys, अब अगले साल हम सेम वीडियो बनाएंगे और अगर तब तक नहीं हुई यहाँ पे 4 कैरेट की अंगूठी, ये मैंने खुद से पहनी है मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए, पर अगर नहीं हुई यहाँ पे 4 कैरेट की अंगूठी मतलब टैरो वैरो सब झूठ है.
It's all about staying open to the possibilities and letting this beautiful energy unfold naturally. It's giving main character love story. Let the motherfuckers go so the main man comes in. And that's it for this one, guys. This was so impromptu because we had gotten the card because she wanted to make a reel. And we were like, okay, let's just ask ChatGPT what it does. It was cute. It was nice. But again, as I said, I personally don't believe in it. But it was a fun night for us to just simply go through all of these things. That's it for this one. Until next time, sayonara. This is Meera Datarana signing off.